Next topic is mass and weight. Okay. Definition of mass. The mass of a object is the amount of matter in the body. Means if a body has more matter, the mass will be more. If the body has less matter, the mass will be less. Okay. The two objects have the same mass if they contain the same amount of matter. Okay. Object A and object B. These two objects have the same mass. What is the condition? If these two objects contain the same matter. Okay. If the two objects having the same matter contain the same matter, they both have equal mass. But these and this, object C and object D. If I say the mass of C is more than mass of D, it means that the matter contained object C is more than matter contained in object D. Okay. So mass depends on matter. Okay. Now, what is the SI unit of mass? The SI unit of mass is kg. Okay. Mass is measured in kg, and also mass in measure in gram. Okay. The kg and gram, these are the units of mass. Kg is the SI unit and gram is the CGS unit of mass. So if someone going to market and they want he wants that give me 5 kg potato, 5 kg potatoes. Okay. Now he is talking about the mass 5 kg because kg is the unit of mass, but we understand that kg is the unit of weight. No, it's wrong. Okay. Now kg, 5 kg, 3 kg, 5 gram, it is mass. Now what is weight? Weight means the weight of a body is its property of being heavy or light. If a body is heavy or a body is light, it depends on still about its weight. Okay. Heavy object or light object tells about the weight. Now weight depends on mass. More the mass, more will be the weight. A body of a greater mass appears heavy, a body with less mass. Okay. If a body, for example, these are the two body. Okay. If this object is more mass and this object is less mass, then this is a heavier object and this is the lighter object. Okay, understand? So weight, and this is also more weight and this is less weight. So weight depends on their mass also. So we can say that the weight, this is the definition, the weight of a body is the force with which it is attracted by gravity. All object, any object in this universe any object in this universe is attracted by the earth towards the center of the earth. Okay, so the force of attraction due to gravity is the weight of the object. Okay, is the weight of the object. Now that force is known as acceleration due to gravity, and it is denoted as small g. Now the relation between weight and mass: weight equal to constant into mass. This constant is the acceleration due to gravity. So weight depends on mass and weight depends on this g, this constant. Understood? So weight of a body depends on mass and weight of the body also depends on acceleration due to gravity. Okay, now the value of g means acceleration due to gravity, is different at different place. So the weight of a body may be different at a different place. For example, if these are the two heights, okay, this is the ground, okay, at a different height. So at this level the g value is greater. At this level the g value is smaller. So at this height the weight of the body is less, and at this height the weight of the body is more. Same object at different level, the weight is different. Okay, why? Because the value of g at this height is more, and the value of g, that is acceleration due to gravity, at this height is less. So the we will get two different weight of a same object. Okay, so weight is differ from place to place. Okay, now here very very important, that tell me the differences between mass and weight. Okay, now first point, mass